So guys, your Windows is not shutting down properly even if you press shutdown button. Why I'm right? Let me show you a proof. Like press Control, Shift and Escape simultaneously and your task manager will open, and just press this performance tab. Like you can see my uptime is 12 minutes. Like from last 12 minutes my laptop is running, and in your case it can be over days or months. I had problem and I turned off that setting. So how to do that? Just watch this video carefully. To do that, open up your search bar and type choose a power plan and go to that, and you will find this first setting. Choose what the power button do. Open that and you will find a couple of settings that are turned off. To enable them, just click here like where it says change settings. In your case this checkbox is blue, but turn it off and press this save changes. Next time your PC will shut down properly. So if you like my content, please watch other videos as well that I uploaded previously, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel.